In Brunswick County, the courthouse is located in Bolivia, North Carolina. They have traffic days or certain days where they set traffic tickets. It's usually very crowded. You go through the front door of that building and security, and then they have a courtroom that is set aside for traffic cases. The DA sits at the table and they just call you up and negotiate it right then. It can be very daunting and confusing to a person in that particular courthouse because they do it a little differently. The DA doesn't grab the file and they go speak with the person. They just call them up, and then the person walks up to the table and the judge is there. There's 100 people in the courtroom, everybody's around, and the DA calls out what the person can plead to, and you got to make the split decision right there. So that's a little more difficult than some of the other counties. If you go in there by yourself and you don't know what you're doing, it's a little intimidating being in the middle of a big crowd and trying to make a decision. Typically, traffic tickets are not trial situations. They're more, let's not get an insurance hit, let's not get a DMV hit. That's typically what we're looking for. And if you don't know what you're doing, you're in a situation, you're like, I plead guilty. And there'll be lawyers sitting in the courtroom that look at that person and go, oh, don't do that. When you receive a traffic ticket in Brunswick County, the best thing to do is to call, and we can tell you how much it costs. We can do everything over the phone, over email. You do not have to appear. You do not have to park. You do not have to take time off work. You do not have to waste your time to come do all that. And the end result is obviously to avoid an insurance consequence and to avoid a suspension on your driver's license. You don't have to come to the office at all. A phone call and email, that's all you need, and we can handle it.